Bet you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see.
Hello there, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. I decided today I would take matters into my own hands, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and make me some papaya soup, okay? I'm gonna be making some papaya soup. Like I said, you cannot talk me into not making fruits. Like, I'm in the fruit zone right now. So you guys, stay tuned, buckle up, because we will be making a lot of fruit product on this channel. You guys, it's real, it's organic, like it's nourishing. And I'm sure you want all of that for yourself, because when you try to get old, like, hands down, I don't want to get old. So I'm doing everything that I can to like slow my aging process down, okay? So with that being said, let's jump into this papaya video. I'm gonna split the papaya into two separate parts. And this one is for me to eat today. Oh my God, you guys are tired of me, right? Don't be tired. We here for good, okay? We here for good. We're gonna be learning different things together and all of that. So I'm gonna get the seed out of here, like so. I haven't eaten papaya in a long time. I don't remember when was the last time I ate some. But I'm glad that I took on this project. It's a perfect opportunity to eat some. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna put it on the blender. This is how our papaya is looking. Now, for soap base, we're gonna be using the Stevenson's Melt and Pour Crystal Soap Base. That's what I'm gonna be using for this project. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the microwave and we will be right back. So our soap is almost melted. We have this much in here, but because I don't wanna burn the soap, I will not be putting it back in the microwave, because with the microwave, you really don't have any control. The best you can do is keep your eye on it. Okay, while I'm at it, I'm gonna be adding my coconut oil because I want it to melt with the soap. So I'm gonna be using a spoonful, this much. It's okay. See, if all melted, like, I got one of this much in here. Okay, All of our soap have melted properly with the coconut oil. It's now time to put our papaya. But before we do, let me take the temperature. It's very important. It's really hot. So when I put the papaya in it, it will definitely cool down. I'm gonna be using some Jason's vitamin E oil. I'll be putting a few drops. Up next, I'm gonna be putting some vegetable glycerin. Okay. So here, I have some carrot oil. I'm using a spoonful of carrot oil, like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be adding is some preservative. Now the last but not least, I will be adding some fragrance oil. Now it's time to pour. Oh, let me not forget. I have to spray the mold before pour anything. Now let's do this. I'm gonna be putting both of these in the refrigerator, and we will be right back when it's solidified. We are back. Now, what do we start from? Where do we start from? Okay, let's start from right here, like so. Oh my God, it's already coming out. It's easy. Okay, I see you. Oh my, look. You know what? I'm saving this for last. There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. Okay. Are you ready for the reveal? Ta-da! OMG. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's put this to the side and bring these on board. On board. Oh my God. I am so happy with this project. It smells so good, you guys. I just wish you guys can smell this soap through the camera. You will definitely understand why I be going crazy over these soaps, okay? So that's all I have for this video, you guys. Try this soap recipe at home. You will definitely be impressed. Like, these soaps works. It brightens, it fits dark spots, And there's so much. Moreover, this is all natural. Okay? Very, very natural. You already know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.